Hi friends, good evening to all. So today our topic is essential vitamins. So why I am taking this topic means because nowadays people all are very worried about corona disease. So if we eat good food, increases our immunity level. So therefore it can be prevent coronavirus disease. That's why I am taking this topic. And everyone wondering what kind of food to take in such a difficult situations. So that's why I am taking this topic. So let's go to our topic. Let's go into our topic. So first one is vitamin A. Vitamin A. Vitamin A, it helps for maintain health, skin, teeth, and bones, and soft tissues. So what are the benefits of essential vitamins? So what are the benefits of vitamin A? Vitamin A, it protect your eyes from night blindness and age-related declines. Night blindness, it vitamin A protect night blindness and may lower your risk of certain cancers and support a healthy immune system. Supports a healthy immune system is most important in our human beings. Why? Because nowadays coronavirus is very fastly affected. Why? Because immunity levels are very low in our, if any person immunity levels are very low, so that person um, affected fastly coronavirus. Not only coronavirus, all communicable diseases. So our immunity level is most important. So that's why vitamin A also important. Okay friends, so then next, reduces your risk of acne and supports bone health and promote healthy growth and product reproduction. And taking to if you want taking too much of vitamin A, it is very risk to our human body. So we need to take as much as our body needs. Okay friends, and next one is vitamin C. Vitamin C is needed for the growth and repair of tissues throughout the body. So what are the benefits of vitamin C? Vitamin C benefits are may reduce your risk of chronic disease. Chronic means long term diseases, ante longer time. So these is the chronic diseases, reduces chronic diseases, risk of chronic diseases. And friends, now may help, and vitamin C may help manage high blood pressure. Okay, and may lower your risk of heart disease and reduce blood uric acid levels and help prevent gout attacks and help prevent iron deficiency and boost immunity and protect your memory and thinking as you age. These protect your memory and thinking age. These point like children's and adult children age people and adult age people and old age people think very differently. Their thinkings are very different. So these vitamin C's protects your memory and thinking as you age. Okay, and next one is vitamin D. Vitamin A and vitamin C is completed. The next one is vitamin D. Vitamin D helps the body absorb calcium and is made when skin is exposed to the sun. Vitamin D. So vitamin D benefits. Vitamin D comes from two places. We take it into our bodies in foods and supplements, and our bodies produce it after sunlight exposure. Vitamin D is found naturally in only a few foods like fish and fatty fish and liver oil and egg yolk. Okay friends, this is a vitamin D food, and it is come vitamin D sunlight. Okay, sunlight exposure to the sunlight. Okay, then next vitamin E. Vitamin E helps the formation of red blood cells and is an antioxidant. Okay, so vitamin E, the benefits of vitamin E: moisturizing skin and wound healing and skin cancer prevention, reducing skin itching and eczema and psoriasis, and preventing or minimizing the appearance of scars and preventing or treating fine lines and wrinkles. So these vitamin E is most important in human beings. Vitamin E help formation red blood cells in and is an antioxidant. The next one, vitamin K. Vitamin K, also known as the clotting vitamin, allows the blood to coagulate. So these vitamin K refers to group of fat soluble vitamins that play a role in blood clotting, bone metabolism, and regulating blood calcium level. The body needs vitamin K to produce prothrombin and a protein and clotting factor that is important in our blood clotting and bone metabolism. For example, if any injuries in our body, so bleeding continuously, there bleeding is there, so that bleeding is controlling these vitamin K. So their prothrombin produces vitamin K. Okay, and clotting their clotting is and next one is vitamin B1. Vitamin B1 or thiamine helps cells convert carbohydrates into energy. Vitamin B1 deficiency benefits are thiamine helps prevent complications in the nervous system, brain, muscles, heart, stomach, and intestine. It is also involved in the flow of electrolytes into and out of muscle and nervous cells. This is the vitamin B1. Then next we go to the vitamin B2. Vitamin B2 or riboflavin works with the other B vitamins and is important to growth and the production of red blood cells. Vitamin B2. So what are the benefits of vitamin B2? Vitamin B2 helps break down proteins, fat, and carbohydrates. It plays a vital role in maintaining the body's energy supply. So riboflavin helps convert carbohydrates into adenosine triphosphate. ATP means adenosine triphosphate. The human body produces ATP from food, and ATP produces energy as the body requires it. So human body produces ATPs, adenosine triphosphates. Then next, ATPs are from food. ATPs are produces from food. So these ATP or produces energy. These ATPs produce energy to the human beings. Okay, this is the B2, vitamin B2. Then next one is vitamin B3. Vitamin niacin helps the digestive system, skin, and nerves to function. These vitamin B3. vitamin B3 benefits. Niacin, also known as vitamin B3, okay, is an important nutrient. This is the important nutrient in our human beings. In fact, every part of your body needs it to function properly. As a supplement, niacin may help lower cholesterol. Lower cholesterol is arthritis and boost brain function, among other benefits. So this is the vitamin B3. Vitamin B3. Then next one is vitamin B5 or pantothenic acid. This vitamin B3 pantothenic acid is essential for growth and food metabolism. Vitamin B5. Okay, so what are the benefits of vitamin B5, also called as pantothenic acid? Is one of the most important vitamins for human life. It is necessary for making blood cells, and it helps you convert the food you eat into energy. Vitamin B5 is one of 8 B vitamins. All B vitamins help you convert the protein, carbohydrates and fats you eat into energy. Okay, this is the vitamin B5. Then next we go to the vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 are pyridoxine, helps the body make antibodies and hemoglobin, and helps maintain nerves and blood sugar. Okay, these vitamin B6 benefits. So what are the benefits? May improve mood and reduce symptoms of depression. Nowadays most of the people very depressed. Okay, so these vitamin B6 is most useful for that people who are depressed, and may promote brain health and reduce Alzheimer risk. The next one, may prevent and treat anemia by aiding hemoglobin production. Okay, and may be useful in treating symptoms of PMS. This is most important for girls. Okay, and may help treat nausea during pregnancy, and may prevent clogged arteries and reduce heart diseases risk. Okay, these vitamin B6 reduces heart diseases risk. So this is the benefits of vitamin C. Then next one is vitamin B7, also known as biotin, and is essential for food metabolism. So then vitamin B7 benefits, promotes appropriate function of the nervous system, and is essential for liver metabolism, as well as biotin is commonly advised as a dietary supplement for strengthening hair and nails, as well as in skin care. It is suggested that biotin aids cells growth and the maintenance of mucous membranes. Okay, this vitamin B7 is supply for strength, hair and nails, as well as skin care also. So this is the vitamin B7. Then next we go to the vitamin B9. Vitamin B9, known as folate or folic acid, helps with tissue growth and cell function. This vitamin B7, B7 promote B8, B9. Folic acid also works closely with vitamin B12 to help make red blood cells and help iron work properly in the body. Vitamin B9 work with vitamins B6 and B12 and other nutrients to control blood levels of the amino acid homeostasis. Okay, these vitamin B9, folic acid also work closely with the B12 and help red blood cells. Okay, this is the vitamin B9. Then next we go to the vitamin B12, helps with the formation of red blood cells and is important for metabolism. This is the vitamin B12. So what are the benefits of vitamin B12? Means help with red blood cells formation and anemia prevention. What is anemia? Blood, okay, red blood cells అంటే blood if any blood problem, I mean blood levels are low, so that people are suffering with anemia. So these is the anemia. So helps with the red blood cells formation and anemia prevention, and may prevent major birth defects. Okay, and may support bone health and prevent osteoporosis, and may reduce your risk of macular degeneration, may improve mood and symptoms of depression. Then next may benefit your brain by preventing the loss of neurons, and may give you an energy boost. Okay, this is the vitamin B12 benefits. And so these are the essential 13 essential vitamins. So everyone is wondering what kind of food to take in this difficult situation. All are thinking like this, so that's why I'm choosing this topic today. So I think all of you loving this topic, and I think all of you catch my points, and all of you understand my uh, videos. So please friends, if you have any doubts regarding in this video, ask me. And friends, if you have any suggestion me, let me know about these videos prevention, sorry, presentations. And actually friends, I don't have any facilities to make a good video, so that's why I'm make videos like this. So thank you friends, thank you all, and we all love you, and bye bye, see you, and subscribe my channel. So thank you, bye.